Last subject which we will discuss, and that is your English. So how you can prepare for English. Already I uploaded aptitude, reasoning and general awareness video. I hope you watched that. If you didn't watch that video, in the comment section you will get the link. Watch that. Form last date is 4th of September. Fill the form properly. Already I made the form filling video. Watch that video and then you can fill the form. Let's start the video. So as you know, currently our phase 2 is going on. Those who didn't watch my phase wise video, you can also watch that video in the playlist which I am giving you in the comment section. You can watch that. Okay. In phase 2, basically now we will take parajumble close test. Vocab part will be there always. Okay. Till your exam day, vocabulary daily you will do. There is no option in your right. So in vocab, basically again I will revise what we have: synonym, antonym, idiom, phrases, then spell check. These are the 5 things we will have in your vocab part, right? So this is the phase 2 syllabus for you guys. From where to complete, already in your success pack and MSP, I have given you ebook. You can use that. Otherwise, any book, other book you have, that also you can use that. No problem in that. For practice, blockwise strategy you can use, which is currently going on block 2. So if you are seriously preparing for IJE, then you can join success pack for all other graduates, and MSP, that is master success pack for engineers. Okay. And for exam level practice, our mock test and blockwise strategy is enough. So no need to any other thing extra. Okay. Now next target is English level. So what level you can expect this time from IBPS? So you, as you can know, first time Airport Authority of India exam is conducted by IBPS this time. So what level you can expect it? So see, 99% it will be easy to moderate for English, and 1% chances are there that if they think that let's increase the level, then it will be moderate. Okay? So if paper is easy to moderate, you know from English you will get 35 questions. Correct? So for easy to moderate level, 25 to 27 we can target. And now in this I didn't included your synonym, antonym, idiom, phrases and spell check part, because definitely lots of words are there. Okay, so it's up to your preparation that whether you are getting that word in your exam or not. How to prepare for that, definitely I will tell you, but I am not included that marks in this 25 to 27. Okay, rest of the things I included. And if your paper is moderate, then somewhere around 22 to 25 questions you can expect. So now see, basically what difference it will create when your paper is easy to moderate and moderate. So see, it's all about your comprehension which you have. Okay. So in easy to moderate, you can expect one comprehension of 5 to 8 questions. It may go to 8 questions. Okay. And in moderate, basically they will add 2 comprehension or 1 comprehension of 10 questions, or 2 comprehension of 5 to 8, like that, out of 35, right? So only comprehension will get increased. Moderate level comprehension will definitely, it will be not that much easy as compared to this comprehension. So that practice you need to do. Okay, specifically for comprehension, and other things will remain same. It is not like level will change for grammar, then parajumble, close test. It will be same, but comprehension is very, very important. Correct? So this is the difference only you will get when your paper is easy to moderate and moderate level. Now daily Telegram PDF you are getting, right, and from that 2 PDF you will use for your English section. Okay, again, if you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to our channel and join Telegram channel and watch all previous videos of aptitude, reasoning. Okay, then next video will be your daily study routine, how you can maintain your routine while preparing for IJE. That is the next video you will get. Correct? So for that, subscribe to our channel, and in the comment section playlist is there. Just save that playlist, because all the videos of IJE I have saved in that one playlist. Okay. So which daily Telegram PDF, 2 Telegram free PDF you will use for your English section. The one is your English assignment, and second is daily vocab. Okay. So see, basically now I told you that synonym, antonym, idiom, phrases and spelling check. These 5 things or 5 topics we will do only from daily vocab. Okay, no need to refer any book, any video for that, because don't waste your time. Okay, obviously your time is limited. So it's better to just focus on our daily vocab, and from that you can prepare well for this section. Okay, because there are lots of words are there. It is not possible to complete the words. It's better to read daily, so that in your exam definitely you will get the things. You can make also notes of daily PDF. You can save them. If you can make notes, it's up to you, right?